Okay, Jim, here's the issue that I keep running into with this. There's very few things to actually do that I could think of. The So right now, just to bring you up to speed on it, I'm about ready to submit to the stage server. So this is probably going to not complete. I don't think I have enough credits on my stage server account right now. But anyways, I'm going to upload and send this. Okay, so now it's batch 15278. So if I was to check that link, this is all I get. So right now it doesn't do me much good to check the status, and even as I keep refreshing it, if I was to do a true real-time update, it doesn't really provide that option because this could take up to a few minutes to actually process. So you can't keep the user in an indefinite loop on that until it's done processing. This processes in the background on your internal systems. The only solution I could think of is, since we don't want a customer looking at this information right here, is I could make a MailJack Plus. So, for instance, we'll make it a MailJack Plus.clicktomail.com. Then we'll make it something like slash the batch ID. And by doing that, I could actually format this results for real time. So basically, when I go back to the results page, take 1 second to show up on here. When it's right over here, what I'll do is I could have it, the link when it's done processing pop up that says keep this link or check this link in the future if you would like. And rather than take them to your API, I could take them to the formatted page where I give them a nice data grid that reads the status in human readable. So if you're not a computer guy, you're still able to read it properly. The other option is I was thinking of maybe putting once the batch is pending, just have a live monitor thing down here, but that basically queries the server every so often for any changes to that. But when you do it that way, then the user would need to be sitting here for minutes until this thing completed. So I'm open to suggestions. Any way you want me to do it, I'll do it. But I don't know what you want me to change on it, since that one screen just tells me has errors, no, but that doesn't mean that the batch didn't error out, because as we'll find out on this, so as we looked at it before, the has errors was no, but if I check it right now, it's going to give me there was an error. So we needed to wait till it was done. I think that error is I didn't have credits or something. I'm not sure what this actually translates to, but it says error while customer login JSON object. So I don't know what that necessarily means, but there was an error on it. Again, I didn't know until minutes later. So again, you pick the way you want it to work. The way I would probably do it is to give the user that link that they could constantly check it, and maybe do a combination. So as long as they're still at the screen, let me bring up the process. As long as they're still at the screen over here, that'll be a live update that keeps querying until the next batch is started. So they have the option to wait it out, but they don't need to. And then they could always take that link and save it to somewhere where they could check later. So I could just paste that up or click on that in the future or something like that. Or maybe even option C here is I could store in a session variable all the successful batches. So as long as they are still on this page, I could have the session variable go ahead and pull it up so it could show recently submitted batches and the statuses, which just kind of talking that out loud, I kind of like that too. But let me know. I generally don't know which way to go with this that is going to be the best for you guys, but any of the options I told you I could build, or if you got an option that you like more, let me know and I'll build it that way. Thanks.